Thutha wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini IEBC kuongerera ihinda ria Ahuraniri a giturwa kia utongoria wa bururi gukorwo maneanite thairi itanyihiire 48,000 ciaria maramanyita mbaru kamiti ino riu nitirihite ihinda riri umuthi niguo kugia na mweke wa kuithurima kana ni ikinyaniirie uigiririku uria wagiriire. Ciama cia kiuteti ta UDA, Azimio la Umoja One Kenya, Wiper, Roots Party, Agano Party, Ford Asili, Usawa kwa wote, Safina na Justice Party no cihotire kuhingia riandikithia riri gugikinyiria mathaa ma hwaini wa umuthi.
That wouldn't be a challenge for the UDA party. We have members. We have many members within the 47 counties. So we didn't have a challenge at all getting signatures or getting copies of IDs.
It was not easy because even us, with the network we have, we still had to call people. We still had to look for resources to facilitate. It's not an easy process. But fortunate for Agano, I say to you, it's one of probably the first 5 or 7 oldest parties. Agano has been around for the last 16 years. It was easy.
It's extremely difficult. That's not an easy assignment. 2,000 is easier said than done. But then compiling those, going across the country, that is not easy.
Kuringana na amwe Ahuraniri aya gaka karario kaundu kanini kuhingia kumana na unyiti mbaru munene uria mari naguo guothe bururi-ini. No kuri Ahuraniri kiumbe uyu urari undu muritu kuhingia kumana na riandikithia ria thairi ciothe ikorwo inyitirirwo ni ibandi cia andu acio.
I wish this was put aside. I can tell you it's very difficult for those who are following up. It's not easy. And the other issue of IDs, that is also not realistic because people have been asking, they were registered around the Huduma number and then this confidential information, that they were not willing to be able to share this. So that was a major challenge.
It's taken the party like about a year to pile up the signatures for people, but for us it was a walkover because there are people and representatives in the different parts that are required.
And maybe then we need to rethink what conditionalities should be put for presidential candidates and how easily accessible it should be for anybody. I think the bar is high, but when you think of the seat they are asking for, I wonder whether the bar should be low or the bar should still be high because it's a kind of a seat that takes the responsibility for the whole nation.
Undu uyu utigite makiria ma Ahuraniri 29 aria maronanitie nyota wa giturwa giki hatika-ini ya guikio nja makiria kuona megukorwo maremetwo ni kuhingia rimwe ria mendekithia ma kuhitukio kuhitahitanira giturwa giki. Kuma haha kamiti ya IEBC kurika ikinya-ini ria guthurima thairi ici niguo gukurana kana ni ikinyaniire ikiro iria ciagiriire kiwatho mbere ya kuhitukia aria megukorwo mahingitie mendekithia ma kiwatho niguo kumandikithia ta Ahuraniri a utongoria wa bururi githurano-ini. Ngirivotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.